Hey there, I'm Zach. Are you tired of using your regular old stick for normal everyday activities? Well, I don't blame you. And that's why I'm here to introduce to you today our new product. Now we like to call these wooden sound sticks. Now these wooden sound sticks are made from the absolute finest quality wood that we can find. And they're also incredibly durable with a microfiber content count of over 6,349%, which means you can rest assured knowing that these are not going to break on you. On top of that, they're super stylish and they can look good anywhere. But get this, that's not what we're most excited about for the wooden sound sticks. No, but what we're most excited about is its insane levels of multifunctionality. You can literally do anything you want to with these. And if you don't believe me, here's some examples to show you just how multifunctional they are. You could use it as a baseball bat. You could also use them as chopsticks. You can use it as a bookmark, as a pillow, as a door stopper, a back scratcher, a paintbrush, a drawing pencil. You could even learn some cool tricks and impress all your friends. Like I said, you can use them for like literally anything. And if someone sees you with a pair of these, they're gonna think that guy is seriously cool. So you've got no reason not to buy them. Here's my colleague Alfie with some more information.
Hey there, did you know that these wooden sound sticks come in a variety of different colors? Isn't that incredible? There's another multitude of things you can use them for as well. For example, you could use one as a guitar pick, you could use one as a shoehorn, oh hell, you could even use one to remove your identity. You could use it as a self-defense mechanism. You could use it as a bridge. Or you could use it as a crowbar. Still not convinced? Well, as my client mentioned earlier, they will never break. I mean, look at this wooden sound stick that isn't created by us. It's completely shattered. And then look at the same one made by us. It's completely fine. So you can know for definite that whatever use you use the wooden sound stick for, it is sturdy and will never break on you. So what are you waiting for? Buy the wooden sound sticks today, or you'll live a life of misery and disappointment.
Thanks for the info, Alfie. Get your wooden sound sticks from any Walmart or Home Depot near you.